attorney for ineffective assistance of counsel. Reporting misconduct is mandatory in both the Code of Judicial Conduct as well as the Rules of Professional Conduct. The state's attorney should as well then, Your Honor. You took an oath of public service and violation of that oath is treason. Not to cite my attorney and the state's attorney for violating the rules of professional conduct is a violation of that oath. In judicial conduct, you are also legally obligated and required by the Code of Conduct to do so. My attorney and the state's attorney are therefore required to cite you for judicial misconduct upon failure to do so. Informed consent is required before these proceedings can go forward. It is required I have reasonable knowledge to give informed consent, and that reasonable knowledge would be informing me exactly what due process is, and that's explained in the Rules of Professional Conduct and the Code of Judicial Conduct. A fair trial would require everyone in a court of law making sure that I have reasonable knowledge to give informed consent. Now, effective assistance of counsel is a double-edged sword and cuts every way you swing. Every attorney is required to abide by and enforce the rules of conduct as well as judges. Every lawyer and judge are required to abide by and enforce the Code of Judicial as well. Preferential treatment is forbidden in every court of law, and thus far you have given my attorney and the state's attorney preferential treatment, and they you. Let's not forget the requirements of a quick and speedy trial, which has limits. No one has explained any of this to me. With this being recently discovered, I ask that this case be dismissed with prejudice and for all of you to do what's required of law and report each other to the proper authorities. Thank you, Your Honor.